difficult song to play due to that long descending set of scales at the end. Air pressure required is totally different up in the high end of the harmonica, down in the low. The harmonica is airtight. It's perfect for this.